Come sing with us. Hip hip hooray! Brush your teeth in the morning light. Brush again before the night. Keep them shiny, clean and bright. Wash your hands with soap today. Rub the germs all away. Clean hands make you healthy, yay! Splash, splash and bubble so clean. Stay fresh, stay bright, stay neat and keen. A clean little kid is happy and green. Crunch your fruits, munch veggies too. Healthy food is good for you. Makes you strong in all you do. Pick your toys up from the floor. Put them in the box or drawer. Clean rooms make us play even more. Share your toys and share your smile. Being kind is always in style. It makes friends happy all the while. Say please when you want to turn. Say thank you with love and concern. Manners are easy to learn. Sleep early, rest your head. Stars shine softly over your bed. Wake up happy, fresh instead. Kanske nyttens man. Finns ett guide från favorer. But guide this to life, bright life.
Hey kids, don't forget to subscribe channel and click the bell icon.